I want to show you how to get to CMAPP 2.0, which is where you'll find the updated math curriculum for next year. Make sure that you're logged into the Wake ID portal. Then you can click on this icon here that says Learning Central. Make sure you click, if your dashboard pops up like mine did, make sure you click down here where it says Learning Central. This will take you to the main page. Scroll down, and within these blue buttons you'll see the title Curriculum, and this will take you to CMAPP 2.0. Find your grade level. For instance, I'm going to take second grade. Scroll down. Now I'm on the second grade instructional resources site. I'm going to click in Mathematics, and you'll notice on the right hand side that the new curriculum for next year has been posted. So if you open this up, it will look very similar to the clusters that I sent out recently. Wake County has went ahead and helped out with the pacing, and your units will be built around that pacing within those clusters. So hopefully you guys can find that. If you have trouble, please let me know.